Good morning, Australia. We are at the cliff's edge. At 10 AM AEDT today, President Trump's final 24-hour extension to Iran expires. Wall Street handed us a surprisingly resilient lead overnight, but it was far from a breakout. The S&P 500 rose 0.08% and the Nasdaq gained 0.10% after recovering from deep intraday losses. Our SPI futures are currently up 12 points, signaling a very flat, very nervous open around 8,670. The world is betting on a last-minute miracle, but we are the first major market to trade through the actual moment of truth. I'm Jay, and this is your zero-hour briefing. The rhetoric reached a terrifying peak overnight. President Trump posted a chilling warning on Truth Social stating, "A whole civilization will die tonight." I don't want that to happen, but it probably will. His deadline of 8 p.m. Eastern Time is exactly 10 a.m. for us because daylight saving has ended. He has emphasized that strikes on energy infrastructure will begin immediately if the Strait of Hormuz blockade isn't lifted. We are opening the market at the exact second the peace or war decision is made. This 12-point futures nudge is a wait-and-see hold. Nobody is moving until the clock hits zero. Here's our pick of 3 stocks to watch today. First up is AMPOL. While the 32-cent excise cut is the headline for voters, AMPOL is the headline for traders. They just deferred their Lytton refinery maintenance to August, pumping an extra 300 million liters of fuel into the system to help with the crisis. They are our primary shield against the Strait of Hormuz blockade. If the 10 a.m. deadline fails, AMPOL becomes a strategic national asset. Watch for a massive volume spike at the open as the Fuel Supply Task Force monitors regional shortages. On the flip side, we have Qantas. The flying kangaroo is in the line of fire. With Brent crude hovering near $110, analysts warn that Qantas' fuel bill could jump by $250 million in just 3 months. We've already seen a 16% slide in travel stocks lately. If 10 a.m. brings strikes, expect Qantas to lead the risk-off liquidation as capacity cuts become inevitable. QAN is the ultimate peace or war barometer today. Finally, look at Santos. While Woodside gets the glory, Santos is the high beta energy play. Santos underperformed yesterday, stayed flat despite high oil prices. This creates a fascinating value gap for today. If the deadline passes without a strike, Santos might actually rally as investors realize the 100-plus oil price is here to stay for a while. It's a catch-up trade that the big funds will be watching closely at 10 a.m. Yesterday's rally happened on light volume, and today's plus 0.14% futures suggest that conviction has completely dried up. I am using the open to tighten stop losses and trim my growth positions. If 10:01 a.m. brings anything other than a peace treaty, the 8,700 level will be a memory. Don't be the hero who tries to buy the news. Today the news is too dangerous to guess. The clock is ticking. Watch AMPOL, watch Qantas, and watch the 10 a.m. newsfeed. Follow Oz Stock Watch for the emergency breakdown the second the ultimatum expires. I'm Jay. Stay safe, stay fueled, and trade smart, Australia.